Hemp has been cultivated for over 10,000 years as one of humanity's oldest crops.
These remarkable plants can grow 15 feet tall in just 4 months.
The secret lies in the bast fiber layer beneath the outer bark.
Unlike cotton, hemp requires minimal water and actually enriches the soil.
Dense planting creates competition, forcing plants to grow tall and straight.
Farmers monitor plants closely to determine optimal harvest timing. Specialized machinery cuts the stalks just above ground level.
The entire above-ground plant is harvested for fiber processing.
Now begins the critical retting process in the field.
Natural bacteria and fungi break down the pectin binding the fibers.
This biological process separates the valuable bast fiber from the woody core.
Experienced farmers test the retting progress daily by hand.
Perfect retting turns fiber bundles white and easily separable.
Retted hemp is baled like hay for transport to processing. Careful handling preserves fiber quality during transportation.
Welcome to one of North America's advanced hemp fiber processing plants. Each bale undergoes strict quality inspection upon arrival.
Moisture content must be between 10 and 15% for optimal processing.
Approved bales enter climate-controlled storage to maintain consistency. Materials are organized by grade and processing schedule. Decortication is the first major mechanical processing step.
Powerful rollers crush the stalks to separate fiber from hurd.
The bast fiber peels away from the inner woody core. Two valuable materials emerge: textile fiber and woody hurd, wood. The raw bast fiber still contains natural gums and impurities. The hurd becomes animal bedding, insulation, or biofuel material. Next comes degumming, the process that creates premium textile fiber.
Modern facilities use enzymatic degumming instead of harsh chemicals.
Precise temperature and pH control ensures optimal fiber quality.
The enzymes break down pectin and gums over several hours. The fiber gradually lightens as impurities dissolve away.
Quality control checks fiber fineness and impurity levels. Multiple rinse cycles remove all traces of processing solution. The transformation is remarkable, from rough stalks to soft fiber. Centrifugal force extracts water while preserving fiber integrity. Controlled drying maintains optimal moisture for the next processing stage.
The difference in quality and softness is immediately visible.
Now the fiber is ready for mechanical refinement.
Scutching removes remaining woody particles through mechanical beating.
This ancient technique has been perfected with modern machinery.
Advanced filtration captures all byproducts for recycling or composting.
The fiber is now clean, but still needs alignment and division.
Hackling combs the long fibers into parallel alignment.
Progressively finer pins divide the fiber bundles into individual fibers.
These premium long fibers are destined for fine textile production.
Shorter fibers are collected separately for different applications.
Carding further refines and blends the fibers into uniform slivers. The transformation continues as chaos becomes order.
Each sliver contains thousands of perfectly aligned fiber strands.
Drawing frames blend and stretch the slivers for consistency.
Roving adds just enough twist to prepare for final spinning. Now comes the magic, transforming fiber into strong yarn.
Ring spinning creates the strongest and most versatile hemp yarns. Precisely wound bobbins ensure even tension during weaving. Hemp yarn is tested for strength, exceeding cotton by 3 times. The superior strength makes hemp ideal for durable textiles.
Hemp readily accepts both natural and synthetic dyes beautifully.
Finished yarn is categorized for different textile applications. Premium hemp yarn moves to the weaving facility. Warping creates the foundation threads running lengthwise in fabric.
Modern looms can create intricate patterns automatically.
The rhythmic dance of warp and weft creates fabric.
Hemp's natural texture gives fabric distinctive character and breathability.
The raw fabric, called greige goods, is ready for finishing.
Every meter is inspected for consistency and defects.
Circular knitting machines create stretchy hemp fabrics for clothing.
Knitted hemp combines strength with comfortable stretch.
Scouring removes oils and impurities before finishing treatments.
Bioenzymatic softening makes hemp as comfortable as cotton. Calendaring compacts the fabric and adds subtle sheen. Chemical treatments enhance the fabric's performance properties.
Hemp accepts dyes beautifully, creating rich, lasting colors.
Controlled drying sets the color permanently into the fibers. Digital printing enables unlimited design possibilities on hemp. Functional finishes add performance features without synthetic polymers.
Final inspection ensures every bolt meets premium textile standards. Finished fabric is measured, rolled, and prepared for customers. The variety of hemp textiles rivals any conventional fiber.
Premium hemp textiles attract leading fashion designers worldwide.
From casual wear to haute couture, hemp performs beautifully.
Hemp denim is stronger and more sustainable than traditional cotton denim.
The fiber's strength requires specialized sewing techniques.
Hemp home textiles offer natural antimicrobial and moisture-wicking properties.
Technical applications utilize hemp's exceptional strength-to-weight ratio.
Blending hemp with cotton creates versatile, comfortable fabrics.
Rigorous testing confirms hemp's superior durability and performance.
Hemp fabrics can last twice as long as equivalent cotton textiles.
Natural UV resistance makes hemp ideal for outdoor applications.
Hemp wicks moisture away while remaining breathable and comfortable. Natural antimicrobial properties keep hemp fabrics fresh longer.
At end of life, hemp textiles return to Earth completely.
The environmental benefits extend throughout the entire life cycle.
Hemp sequesters more carbon per acre than most crops or forests. Hemp requires half the water of cotton for textile production. Hemp thrives without pesticides or herbicides, protecting ecosystems.
Hemp's taproot breaks compaction and returns nutrients to soil. Hemp is an excellent rotation crop, improving yields for subsequent plantings.
Modern hemp processing achieves near-zero waste production.
Even hemp seeds become valuable nutritional products and oils.
The woody herd creates sustainable construction materials.
Ongoing research continues improving processing efficiency and fiber quality.
Artificial intelligence enhances quality control to microscopic precision.
Digital traceability ensures complete supply chain transparency.
Independent certifications verify environmental and quality claims.
The hemp textile industry is experiencing worldwide renaissance.
Investment in hemp innovation reached historic levels recently.
Major brands commit to incorporating hemp in sustainable collections.
Consumer demand drives the shift towards sustainable hemp textiles.
Scaling production makes hemp textiles increasingly affordable.
The industry creates sustainable jobs in rural agricultural communities.
Specialized training develops expertise for this growing industry. Academic research drives continuous improvement in processing methods.
Policy changes worldwide support hemp textile industry growth.
Automation promises even greater efficiency and consistency.
Hemp enables truly circular textile economy models.
Switching to hemp textiles significantly reduces fashion industry emissions.
From ancient crop to modern material, hemp proves its enduring value.
The future of sustainable textiles is growing in fields today.